Hey guys, it's your girl again with another video. So today's video, excuse my hair, I'm just in the working mode right now. So today's video is going to be about how I layer my viners, and I have like 3 colors I want to layer today. So I already got that sent to my what they call it, to my Cricut. So my Cricut is blinking right now, and we're gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna show you my Cricut. That's my Cricut blinking. So the one I want to cut is my red. So this is the red I am using. It is like a tomato red, I believe. So super red. So when you place it on your mat, it's gonna be pretty place facing down, or shiny place facing down. Wherever the vinyl is, that's where you're gonna place down. So, and I am gonna go ahead and run it through and make sure. I need to treat my mat. Click on that blinking light and let this do its thing. So while that is going, I'm gonna go ahead and start my heat press. And for this, the heat press has to be 305 for. So this is blinking. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. 305 for 15 seconds. So I'm just changing it from 320, because I was doing a glitter binder. I do make it 320 for 20 seconds. So there we go. All right. So you guys know the procedure. You know what to do. Always use your length roller to get all the length, because you don't want that in your design. Trust me. I did not take out my length. I did take out, but it did not take out everything. And honey, when I tell you that thing was on my design, it was on my design. When they say take it out, it is really good to take it out. Take your time and take it out, because you don't want it on your design. I had that on my design and it was not looking good at all. It looks like I had a blue sprinkles on it, and I needed to take it out. Like, it seemed like I needed to just like take it out, but it wasn't possible. So you want to make sure you length roll really good. Alright, I'm gonna pull this down, and I'm gonna preheat this for 5 seconds. Alright, this thing is, my mat is coming off. Alright, and I'm gonna preheat this for 5 seconds. Alright, so this is I already weighed this off of camera, because I did not want to waste you guys' time. And this is the white vinyl, and that's the one I'm using first. I wished I have glitter. Glitter would have been perfect for snowflakes, but this will work.
Mommy. I need a pee-pee.
Okay, go do it. You know what to do.
What do you hear me?
Come on. All right, go.
Thank you.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, use my Teflon sheet and press this. So this is a 2XL. So it's ready for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. So beautiful. That's one thing I like with regular vinyl. It's no issue at all. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and place this. I'm gonna bring you guys closer, because I have a little bit of opening here, so I want to make sure that I place it exactly there so I can get the whites to show. There we go. This is just perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and this is looking pretty already. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and press this here for 15 seconds, and boom, this one is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it, grab it. All right, you see how, oh my goodness, this thing is so pretty, y'all.
Let's take the bathroom already.
All right, baby. I want to take it from the other side, I think.
Will you help me, Mommy?
All right, baby, hold on.
Okay, Mama. Smart Mommy.
Thank you.
Okay.
So this one is kind of hard for me to just snatch it. So I'm trying to make sure I get it right. I think this should be, it should, I think this is not a, not an easy way. It could be Thermoflex. All right, it's coming through. I'm just super careful, as you can tell. All right. Boom. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. One more to go. So now I have the glitter for the leaves. So I gotta go look. Okay, I think it's here. I gotta look at the design again. Make sure I got it right. I think it should be here. I'm right. So it is supposed to be where thirds is supposed to be. Placement is the key. All right, I need to, okay. This one looks good. All right, this one looks good. All right, you guys, can you guys see this? Whew, this is fire, y'all. So it looks good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. I really wish I had the glitter for the snowflakes and not the white, but it works. The snowflakes would have been better. The glitter, the silver glitter would have been way better. Excuse my nails, y'all. You girls been so busy, I don't even have time for me. All right, she is ready. Whew. See this? Can you guys really see the beauty from this? Oh my goodness. I am in love with this here. I am so much in love with this. My sister-in-law chose the best design ever. When she saw this design, she just fell in love with it, and she told me, this is what I want you to make for me. Oh goodness. I'm gonna press this one more time and I'll be done with this project. All right, this is a seal. Perfect. It's a wrap and all done. The red is beautiful. Everything here is beautiful. Do y'all see it? You see the way I layered this here? Alright guys, see how it came out? You see how I layered this here? You see, let me get my, you see this cherries or whatever this is? You see the white in there? That is what they call layering. You layer it to the pin. You see that? You see the whites came through, and it is so perfect. So I love this. It came out really good. If you guys know, if you guys feel like it came out good, give me thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if this turned out good, if it's something that you like, and if it's something that you're gonna try. I actually got this design from Creative Fabricer, and I will if you guys want me to put a link for you guys for this design, let me know. That's gonna be an affiliate link, and it's gonna be in my description box, and go check them out. They have a lot of designs, and you can literally subscribe to them, and you pay $1 for subscription for a month, and you have access to all the designs, the fonts, all the good stuff they got. So I'm gonna put a link to Creative Fabricer, and that is gonna be in my description box. You will find a lot of designs for $1 for a month, and after a month they're gonna charge you the regular amount. So but just for a month it's gonna be $1. So I'll say, don't just get it right now when you're not ready for it. Get it when you're ready, so you can take advantage of the $1 deal, so you can make sure you use the designs for that 1 month, so you don't waste it, don't go to waste. But anyways, you guys see how this came out? I'm in love with this design. It makes me want to make this design for myself, because ooh, my sister-in-law chose the right thing, honey. And if I'm gonna do it again, I'm gonna do this white, I'm gonna make it glitter, just because I don't have glitter. That's the reason why I did not use it. So but it's gonna be glitter the next time I do it, and I cannot wait to redo this style, this here for myself. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this, all I ask for is for you to give me thumbs up, and also give me thumbs up so that other crafters like you and I can find this video, and also other potential crafters can also find this video helpful for them. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Your girl have been giving you good content. I realize a lot of you guys have been watching my videos, and I appreciate it. But one thing is, some of you guys are not subscribing, so please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, so you can know when I post a video. I do post videos twice a week now. I am trying to stick to that schedule. It's gonna be Thursdays and Sundays, but I am trying to make sure I stick to that schedule. And my regular day used to be like Sundays, every Sunday. That's not gonna change, but just in case it change, hopefully it doesn't change, always expect videos from me every Thursdays and Sundays. So hit on your bell notification button so you can know when I post a video. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and before I go, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to every one of y'all, and stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.